Hello students. Today we are going to be multiplying integers. So this is section 1.5. Our objective is to learn how to multiply integers. And again, our integers are negative and positive numbers plus 0, no fractions, no decimals, okay? And we are going to skip the first page on 1.5 and go on to the back page, page 19. Okay. So here's some different ways to write multiplication. It can be with an X. That's normally in elementary school, but in middle school, we change it and we write it more with parentheses. So this is 5 times 10, negative 4 times negative 10. They can be with the number on the outside of the parentheses, so 3 times negative 12. They can be without parentheses at all with a dot in the middle. Or they can also be with an asterisk or a sign or star sign in the middle, 5 times negative 7. So those are different ways that you can see multiplication in the math world. Now, this is kind of just going to be a brief summary. And if you want to go over the other side, I can also do another video on that, but it seems a little complex. So I just want to summarize it. If the signs are the same, positive times positive, negative times negative, then your answer will be positive. This is different than adding positives and negatives, okay? So multiplication, the signs are the same, your answer is positive. But if your signs are different, like these signs right here, like if you have negative times positive or positive times negative, then your answer is a negative, okay? So that's how you know. Signs the same, positive. Signs are different, negative. Okay. Now we're just going to go right into some practice. Number 2, negative 4 times 10. Are the signs the same or different? Okay, they're different. One negative, one positive. So the answer has to be negative. Okay. And then 4 times 10. That's correct, 40. Okay. Now they put a variable in there and you're like, what? Well, negative 4 times 9x, all we do is multiply the number in front and then just carry this sign over. So negative 4 times positive 9, again, they're opposites. They're not the same sign. So 4 times 9 is 36. And then you just carry the x over. Okay, so that answer is negative 36x. Now, okay, so I went from 2 to 8. You can do the ones in between. I also wanted to do 9. If you want to, stop the video, do number 9, and let's see if you can get it right, okay? So to number 9 over here, negative 5 times negative 6, okay? The signs are the same, so the answer is going to be positive. And we don't need to write a plus sign when it's positive. So we just go 5 times 6 is 30. And then we just carry the A and the B. You do not add these together, you just put them together like that. So the answer to 9 is 30AB. Okay, next we're going to go on to number 14. I might have to lift it up a little and we will do it in this spot. Number 14, it says evaluate. Here they give you what x is and y is. And then they said 14 equals negative 2xy. So negative 2 times x times y. So x was 5, so I'm going to put 5 here. And y is negative 3. Oh, we have 3 numbers. What do we do now? Negative times positive. Okay, those are opposite signs, so we know the answer is negative. But then a negative times a negative, your answer ends up being a positive. So then we just go 2 times 5 is, that's correct, 10. And then 10 times 3, and there you have your answer is 30. And we're going to circle it so people can find our answers. So again, negative 2 times 5 was negative 10 times by negative 3 is positive 30. So just work with the 2 first, see what you get, and then multiply that by the third one. That's what you do when you multiply 3 together. Okay, students, I believe you can finish the rest of this page. You may have a second worksheet, maybe not. You can do it. You rock.